Welcome everybody. Welcome to Everything Currency. This is a show where we talk about everything crypto and mo. I'm your host Jay, and today I want to talk to you guys a little bit about this market. Now, at this point in time, since my last video, as you guys know, I said, hey, I am cautiously bearish at this point. Now, we have had a nice pump. We didn't close anything below the 30K level. Bitcoin is pumping right now, looking good on that level, or looking the same as we've been seeing. Now, I can't take that little cautiously bearish thing off until we get back above this 35K level and like close there. So I want to show you guys that a little bit on the charts, and I want to talk to you guys about an NFT project that I just got into and show you my NFT that I minted, and let you guys take a look at that if you guys are into NFTs. So like the video, subscribe to the channel if you're new here, check out the website Everythingcurrencycrypto.com. get yourself some Ethereum merch, Bitcoin merch, everything currency merch, Omi merch. Everything is on the website. Also, I am building a NFT platform, but I need help with people who know how to do that. So holla at me. I want to build the currency collectors, so let me know if you want to be involved. Also, for the patrons, my patrons, if you are a patron and you want to just donate to the channel, you can stay a patron, you can still donate to the channel. But if you are a patron to be in the Telegram group, the Telegram group is going to be free again, so you can go ahead and cancel your subscription for that. So first and foremost, let's get right into Bitcoin right now. So looking at this Bitcoin chart right here on the weekly, you can see we spiked down the last 2 days. We went below 29K, but hey, look, we got a higher low, because before we were at 28,600 and then we only hit 29,300. So hey, it's a little bit of good news showing up on the chart right there. So look, cautiously until we get back above this line right here. We got to play this market cautious, because if we look at this chart on the daily, you can see that we have yet to get back above that 21 daily moving average and close. We tapped it, which was pretty good. The TDI over here spiked up really hard and really nice, which is pretty cool. But you know, I'm just thinking like, hey, look, on the weekly, I'm seeing that this thing is way down here. If it doesn't start to curve back up soon, it's not gonna look too good. On the monthly, we are coming down, so I kind of still would like to see what's happening right now. This boring sideways action that's got everybody bearish, super bearish, and me like cautiously bearish, you know, still with like a bullish bias, I guess. You know what I'm saying? I'm just waiting to see what happens. This thing is going bearish. I mean, this thing has been going down for a while, so we got to cross some critical levels this week. So let's get it. We're looking good so far. Let's get it. Going into the total, this one is kind of looking very similar. What's cool with the total is we didn't drop below this 1,017,000,000 level, which was a critical level. We stayed there for a couple days, but we bounced on that pretty nice. So that's good to see that we bounced on that. This is the 4-hour chart right here. We have to cross this white line next, which is about 1.33, and right now we're at 1.30. So yeah, let's get some more market. Come on guys, show some stuff. You know, this is not financial advice. Looking at the total too, this is the 4-hour chart right here. Got back above the 21, so that's good to see on the 4-hour chart. We're winning the short-term battles, but we're slowing down right here on the, we need to slow down right here on the TDI anyway. We're not slowing down on the daily chart, looking just like Bitcoin, just spiking up, not passing the 21 moving average. So you know, for altcoins, we have to cross this and like close above it. We got to get it back above some real nice levels. We need about $100 billion to come into this market and kick us over this line, or it's looking ugly. Now ETH got back above the 2K. I was able to close my trade with a tiny bit of profit. Yeah, I bought at like what, 31 cents, closed it at 32 cents or something like that, because it spiked really quick yesterday. So yeah, seeing the same thing it looks like the total 2 chart. So the markets right now are still undecided. Womp. Nothing happened yet. Nothing too fun. It's just like, you know, I was drawing this a long time ago. Things are just gonna, hopefully we need them to get back up here so we can say, hey, we're still going sideways, and given the monthly time to cool off so we can go ahead next month and just blast off, hopefully. But charts are showing me bearish right now. So there's a couple things that I want to show you that are actually pretty interesting to see, because a lot of people want to call this 30,000 Bitcoin level the bottom right here. So I'm going to try to make a case for that. The first thing I want to show you guys right here is this from stats.bitcoinworldwide.com. This is the Bitcoin repeat chart right here. And what this is just kind of the charts repeating over each other. And you can see from this chart, from repeating the last cycle, it shows this is where we are right here at around the you know, where we're at 32K, and it shows that we could actually dip down, you know, to about, you know, 26K. We can dip down to about 20, even 24K would be kind of like a bottom, or like, but 28K could be like a bottom, and then we can still spike to about 144K if history starts to repeat itself as it's done before. And what's interesting about that is if you just kind of take this price action and kind of say, hey, if this is what's going to happen, or if what's similar going to happen after this peak of 144K, the price will come back down, and you can see right here it's showing about a 25 to 30K, 28K bottom before the next bull cycle. So that's what we want to see. We want to see that this is a bottom. We want to see 30K be the bottom for sure, but we just don't know yet. We still gonna sideways. One more chart that I want to talk to you guys about is the Bitcoin Mayer multiple. Now, what is the Bitcoin Mayer multiple? The Mayer multiple was created by Trace Mayer as a way to analyze the market in a historical context. It does not tell whether to buy or sell. The Mayer multiple is a multiple of the current Bitcoin price over the 200-day moving average. So what does that mean? Let me show you it on a better example right here. You have these Mayer multiple bands laid out right here over the Bitcoin price historically. You can see what it's been doing. Now, before, on this chart, every time it came down here to this dotted red line, shows a strong buy signal on this chart, and when it's gotten to this top line up here, it was a strong sell signal, and the one below that is a sell signal. So if you look at the price of where we currently are, and let me zoom in a little bit more, you can see that oops, not really used to this chart. You can see that we are in a buy zone, getting towards a strong buy zone if it comes down here and taps the red. So it's looking like maybe this chart is showing that every time the price gets down to around 25 to 28K is like a strong buy zone area for the long-term price action of Bitcoin, and that's what we are hoping for. Keeping our fingers crossed. The charts are showing us bearish, and that's why we are cautiously bearish at this point until we get back above this 21-day moving average on the daily, and we are testing it right now. So let me know what you guys think. People are claiming, the bears are claiming that they won already. The bulls are claiming that they won. Some people say it's a bear trap. Overall, we're still going sideways. Don't let the narratives fool you. So real quick, I got into a NFT project called the Evaverse.com. Now this one, the reason why I'm bringing it up to the channel right now is because you can still mint yourself a character, and like I said, I like minting them because you can mint them and get something super rare. So there's only going to be 10,000 of these ever that are able to be minted. You can mint 400 per transaction. They're 0.1 ETH each. And what's dope is right now you can mint them for 0.1 ETH, and if you go on to, this is mine right here, this is the one that I minted. I thought it was pretty dope, but when I come down here and look at the attributes, it's not as rare as I hoped. But what's actually cool is you can click right here and you can see that, oh, somebody sold one for cheaper, but the floor price was looking pretty nice. It was around, you know, 1 ETH or 1.3 ETH. Right now the floor price, I guess it went down. It's 0.107 for some of these basic ones. People probably want to try to mint some newer ones, but the reason why I'm bringing it to this channel is not only because you can still mint one. I actually like the project because there's actually more behind it. Now you can claim your 3D character now. What's also cool is that you can play with these 3D characters in a video game, and they got some samples of the game down here where you're going to be able to play with your own character and have like meet and greets. It's gonna have microphones connected to it and stuff like that, so it's gonna be pretty dope. The characters have, you know, unique traits, and what's also cool is on the Twitter they had hinted out, not hinted out, but they actually said that if you mint a character, then you will be getting another free pet to go along with it. So that's also dope. So I think, you know, this, as this thing evolves, they're also partnered with Super Yeti. If you know what that is, you'll be able to use those characters in the game as well. So, and I talked to the dudes on Discord. Game should be coming out within 2 weeks. So I think being that you can look at the roadmap here, so I think being that you could actually play with these characters, they're getting a lot of hype on Twitter, you know, and you can still mint them and get yourself a free pet. And like I said, just about when I started recording this video, the floor price was at 0.13 ETH. So there's already an opportunity there, you know, if you get a rare character or something like that. So let me know what you guys think about the NFTs. Like and subscribe, turn on post notifications, check out the website everythingcurrencycrypto.com. Rest in peace to Crypto Roots. Thank you guys for watching the channel. Till next time, peace.